In the world of consumer electronics, Samsung is arguably the most popular with its product empire spanning from home appliance to mobile computing to software and services. Even if you tunnel into smartphone lines, there are almost too many options to count, and with the launch of the Galaxy S23 series, there are even more reasons to consider an upgrade if you are Samsung loyalist. In this video, I am going to show you 5 amazing top 5 new and the best Samsung phones that you can consider to buy. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which new Samsung phone did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Samsung Galaxy A23 5G, latest best budget smartphone from Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy A23 5G is a decent smartphone that assembles some brilliant specifications. The quad camera setup of this device ensures quality photography. Furthermore, the battery, RAM and storage offer consistent performance. Starting with its display, it comes with a 6.6 inches of PLS LCD with a full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Coming to the cameras, the smartphone comes with a quad rear camera setup comprising of 50MP primary camera, 5MP ultra-wide-angle camera and two 2MP lenses, and this quad rear setup gives the best picture quality. Also, there is an 8MP of front selfie camera that takes decent selfies. Powering the phone is a Samsung Snapdragon 695 chipset, which is a powerful mid-range chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone packs huge 5000 mAh of battery and comes with a 25W fast charging support. Buy this amazing smartphone for its beautiful and immersive 120Hz refresh rate display, 50MP primary camera takes best pictures, and the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset and huge battery with a fast charging support. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Samsung Galaxy A14 5G, the latest and the best low-budget smartphone from Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy A14 5G is a decent smartphone that is well equipped with the different features. A good team of RAM, cameras and battery, and also it comes with a great camera for photography and videography experience to the users, especially vloggers who are looking for a cheap and best camera smartphone. Starting with its display, it comes with a beautiful 6.6 inches IPS LCD display with a full HD Plus resolution, and also it comes with a 90Hz refresh rate. Coming to the cameras are amazing here. It comes with a 13MP of front selfie camera that takes decent selfies, and also there is a 50MP resolution rear camera that takes very detailed pictures, and videography is also decent here. Powering the phone is an octa-core Samsung Exynos chipset, which is a powerful one coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The phone packs huge 5000 mAh of battery and also comes with a 15W fast charging support. Buy this amazing smartphone for its best triple rear camera at a lower price. 13MP selfie camera is also decent. Huge 5000 mAh of battery with the 15W fast charging support. Samsung Galaxy S23 5G. Samsung Galaxy S23 5G promises consistent performance and powerful configuration. Along with an eye-catching display, the brand has also installed great set of cameras at the both ends facilitating detail captures. Starting with its display, Samsung is known for their great display smartphones, and their display is very vibrant and immersive. This phone comes with a 6.1 inches dynamic AMOLED display with a full HD Plus resolution. A layer of Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protects the display from accidental fall. The triple camera setup is available on the rear side, comprising of 50MP wide-angle main camera, 10MP telephoto camera, as well as 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and this triple rear camera is one of the best cameras in the market. And for selfies, Samsung has given a 12MP camera with an aperture of f2.2, and this camera is amazing. Powering the phone is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, which is a powerful one coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Samsung has given a smaller battery here with the best optimization with a powerful processor. The battery capacity is 3900 mAh, comes with a 25W charging support. Buy this amazing smartphone for its immersive display, powerful set of cameras and very powerful processor. Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus 5G. Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus 5G offers ultimate operational experience in the long run. Considering the modernistic user base and their ever-changing needs, Samsung has incorporated a great advanced and futuristic features in this smartphone. Starting with its display, it comes with a beautiful and immersive 6.6 inches dynamic AMOLED type display that will give you immersive display experience. Coming to the cameras, which are the very attractive feature of this smartphone, it comes with a 50MP wide-angle shooter with an aperture of f1.8, a 10MP telephoto camera and 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and this trio takes the best pictures. Also, there is a 12MP of selfie shooter that takes beautiful selfies. Powering the smartphone is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This smartphone comes with a larger battery compared to the S23. It comes with a 4700 mAh of battery with the 45W fast charging support. Yes, in the S23 it is only 25W. Here it is 45W fast charging technology. Buy this amazing smartphone for its immersive display, powerful processor, powerful cameras both front and rear, and fast charging is of 45W. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G, one of the best smartphone of 2023. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G comes loaded with a plethora of high-end specification, proving beneficial for both personal and professional needs. You can depend on the device with great visuals, advanced camera features, powerful processor setup, and impressive battery layout. It also comes with a water resistance and dust-proof functionality equipped with the smartphone, featuring an on-screen optical fingerprint sensor. Starting with its display, it comes with a very beautiful display of 6.8 inches. It's a dynamic AMOLED display with a Quad HD Plus resolution. The phone features a 200MP f1.8 wide-angle shooter that takes very detailed pictures, and also there is a 10MP periscope camera, 10MP telephoto camera and 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and this quad rear camera is best in the business. Also, there is a 40MP of front selfie camera that takes very neat, detailed, crisp, clear and beautiful selfies and videos also. Powering the phone is a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset coupled with up to 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. The phone packs huge 5000 mAh of battery that comes with a 45W fast charging support. Buy this amazing smartphone for its cameras, for its display, for its everything that phone offers. It is a top class smartphone. So these are the 5 new amazing Samsung phones that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.